How to add credit on iMovie. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add credits at the end of your video using iMovie. Perfect for thanking your cast, crew or audience. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded iMovie on a MacBook or iPhone. Remember that this app is not available on Android device. After that, click on search bar and open iMovie app. Now open any project that you want to add credits to. If you are on your MacBook, you have to go to top where it says titles, and on iPhone or iPad, tap this plus icon, then choose titles. Scroll and pick a title saying scrolling credits or centered. Drag it to your timeline. After that, click or tap on the title in the preview window. Replace the default text with your own. And that's it. This is how you add credit on iMovie. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.